everyone, welcome back to the Overland Trails garage, and today we're going to do a simple install on the Grenadier. We're going to install the Joolca Ensuite Shower Tent privacy room using the Alu-Cab brackets that you can fit on the Silenus. This is going to be a little bit different than a standard install because the brackets kind of don't fit the track system that's built into the Joolca shower. So I've got to do a little bit of modification to the bracket for the hole to line up. And then to put this on there, Dana's going to help me hold it up there while we bolt it in. So we're going to kind of just play with it. It bolts to the track itself, so we'll take a look at that as well. And let's take a look at the kit that comes with the brackets. These brackets are a little funky. Normally brackets will have like a flap out here and a flap out here, so you can bolt it in, pretty solid. But this, because of the way the track system works, has the flap on the inside, so it's going to be kind of hard to get to those. I've got to mount the shower ensuite tent to this, and then mount the brackets and the tent to the Silenus. And I got to be able to get to these bolts under here, so this is going to be a little bit of a fight. We'll see how it goes. So I got lucky here. These line up perfectly like that. So we'll be able to mount this bracket anywhere along here, and we're going to use some extra spacers here to make, or extra washers to make sure everything balances out. These bolts aren't very big, so I want to make sure they're secure enough when we get ready to go and mount it onto the track. All right, now we got our brackets on, and they're about 34 inches apart, and that measures exactly roughly how far we need them to be apart to go to the tracks on the Alu-Cab. Quick little tip, before you tighten down these brackets here to the railing of the shower tent, I recommend taking a level and making sure they're squared, because once you tighten these down, you can't get back to them whenever you start hanging it on the Silenus, so you want to make sure everything's square. Now we're going to take the supplied, I think M5 bolts, washers, the nuts with the Teflon inside, and these little caps here, which are kind of cool. And we're going to mount these where we think they need to be inside the tracks, and then we're going to lift the ensuite shower to line up with that, make a few minor adjustments, and then bolt the heck out of it. So on the Alu-Cab, we'll be mounting it here, right over the passenger rear door, and then we'll mount it to there. So roughly 35 inches from the middle of that bracket to this bracket on these will fit pretty good, and it'll sit just above this grab handle. All right, we got our bolts staged on our tracks here. So we should be able to lift it up, wiggle it a little bit, get the bolts through the mounting brackets. And we should be able to get the washers on them and be able to get the nuts on them started. That way it can support itself while we tighten everything and adjust everything. Alrighty, that's a fairly simple install. The key is on these brackets, you got these bolts inside the bracket panel itself, so it's hard to get in there with anything, so it's kind of tricky. The key reason why we went with the Joolca is because the way the sides come all the way up and around, and it's fully adjustable with full blocking and doesn't have straps or anything, so it's easy. So it gives you full coverage, from head to toe, and then we put the floor in, so it makes it real easy. Las Vegas Overland makes this nice, bamboo floor that we like to use. The Joolca one, wouldn't recommend it. It works, but it's big and bulky. If you have any questions about this, the brackets or anything like that, I got the brackets at CB Adventure Supply. You can order them from OK 4-wheel drive, or you can order them directly from Alu-Cab. But like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. See you on the trails.